Do this technique tonight and what you want will manifest by morning. Are you tired of struggling to manifest your desires? Have you heard of the law of attraction but are unsure of how to use it effectively? Keep watching the video to discover the secrets of manifesting your dreams using the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a universal law that states that like attracts like. In other words, the energy you put out into the universe is what you attract back to you. Hi, I'm here to share some tips and techniques on how to use the law of attraction to manifest your desires. The first step in manifesting your desires is to be clear on what you want. This means taking the time to get specific and detailed about your desires. Write them down, visualize yourself already having what you want, and feel the emotions that come with it. For example, if you want to manifest a new car, imagine yourself driving it, feeling the leather seats, smelling the new car scent, and feeling the excitement of owning your dream car. The more vivid your visualization and the stronger your emotions, the more powerful your manifestation will be. When you focus on the details of what you want and feel the emotions associated with having it, you are sending a clear signal to the universe about your desires. The next step is to align your thoughts and emotions with what you want. This means letting go of limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that hold you back. Replace them with positive affirmations and beliefs that support your desires. For example, if you want to attract a loving relationship, you might say affirmations like, "I am worthy of love," or "I attract loving and healthy relationships." This step is essential because the universe responds to the energy you put out. If you are focused on negative thoughts and beliefs, you will attract negative experiences. However, if you shift your focus towards positive affirmations and beliefs, you will attract positive experiences. Another important aspect of manifesting is gratitude. Gratitude is the act of being thankful for what you already have in your life. When you focus on gratitude, you are sending out positive energy and attracting more positive things into your life. Make a habit of writing down things you're grateful for every day, even if they seem small. This practice will help you shift your focus towards abundance and attract more of it. It's also essential to take action towards your desires. You can't just sit back and expect your desires to manifest without any effort on your part. Take inspired action towards your goals, even if it's just a small step. This action will create momentum and move you closer to your desires. For example, if you want to start your own business, you might start by researching your industry or creating a business plan. Taking these small steps will help you build momentum and create the energy needed to manifest your desires. Finally, trust the universe and let go of attachment to the outcome. This means trusting that the universe is working for your highest good and your desires will manifest at the right time and in the right way. When you let go of attachment, you release resistance and allow the manifestation to flow more easily. For example, if you are trying to manifest a new job, trust that the universe will bring you the perfect opportunity when the time is right. Don't become attached to a specific job or outcome. Instead, focus on the feeling you want to experience, such as fulfillment, growth, or abundance. Are you ready to take control of your life and manifest your desires using the law of attraction? The first step is to get clear on what it is that you truly want. Write down your desires and be specific. Then, visualize yourself already having what you want and feel the emotions that come with it. This will help to align your thoughts and emotions with what you want, which is essential for successful manifestation. Next, focus on positive thoughts and emotions. Let go of limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that hold you back. Replace them with positive affirmations and beliefs that support your desires. Practice gratitude every day, even for the small things in life, and you will start to shift your focus towards abundance and attract more of it. Don't forget to take inspired action towards your goals. It's not enough to just visualize and think positively. You also need to take action towards your desires. This will create momentum and move you closer to your goals. Finally, trust the universe and let go of attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is working for your highest good and your desires will manifest at the right time and in the right way. When you let go of attachment, you release resistance and allow the manifestation to flow more easily. I hope this video has helped you to understand how to use the law of attraction to manifest your desires. Remember, the law of attraction is a powerful tool, but it requires consistent effort and alignment to work effectively. Keep practicing these techniques, and you will start to see amazing results in your life. Thank you for watching, and also thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I know it hasn't happened, but I manifest it, and happy manifesting.